The modern world is enormous and complex. To better understand how things work, let's imagine a smaller, simpler version of society. When we last left our tribe, they were making considerable progress building a small village. They were using division of labor to get the most out of their work, and they were transforming the resources around them into materials they could use. They now have some wealth, protection, and an increased quality of life. This is the village after 2 months. Today, we will fast forward 4 months. The 10 members of this miniature society continue to build and now have a couple nicer homes. They have become rather adept at surviving in this isolated space. Little do they know, about 2 kilometers away, another tribe of 20 is making its way toward them. This tribe began its civilization on the southeastern section of the island, but eventually found it to be a difficult place to settle. After scouting out the scene, they have spotted our unsuspecting tribe. Now they must decide the best course of action. How should they approach? One option is to attack. With more people and some crude but effective artillery, they could destroy the settlement and take over. Let's imagine how that would work. Okay, wait. If the clan acts aggressively in this way, they will have destroyed some valuable infrastructure and killed off a group of clever, hardworking people. Is this a wise thing to do? Probably not. But how about controlling the smaller tribe? Get them to do all the work, live the easy life? The idea might seem very appealing to the approaching tribe. But aside from the moral drawbacks, would enslavement even make sense economically? The original tribe would have to produce 3 times as much in order to feed and house everyone. This would leave no room for surplus, thus no growth to the economic pie. Furthermore, forcing 10 people to do hard labor and preventing them from running away at night would require at least 5 full-time workers at all hours of the day. These people would produce nothing, but still consume. This would be 96 hours of work per week that would add no value to society. For the tribe of 20, quality of life would increase slightly thanks to the extra free time, and yet they would live under constant threat of rebellion or escape on behalf of the smaller clan. Finally, with no chance of improving their own quality of life, the original tribe will only do the bare minimum work. Without freedom, there is no incentive to work or create, and without labor or creativity, there is no growth to the economic pie. A free society, on the other hand, will be happier and more productive. Thus, the large tribe decides it should cooperate with the small tribe. Doing so would have several benefits. Let's take a look. First, everyone would have an increased knowledge of their surroundings. The Green tribe came from another part of Seclusion Island, and they could trade information with the original tribe, which has been exploring the western end of the island for 6 months. Second, a cooperating tribe of 30 would have a nice collection of skills at its disposal. All of these people have 21st century knowledge and talents, and can put them to work to make a city. Finally, some members may be able to scale up their operations and provide more for people, thus freeing up other members to do new things. For example, suppose each tribe originally had 4 hunters, but it only takes 6 hunters to feed all 30 people combined. This would allow 2 of these hunters to do something else. What about the negative effects of cooperating? Well, if Seclusion Island looked like this, there would not be enough to go around. Violence would likely occur as everyone fought for scarce resources. Additionally, people have their differences, and getting along is not always easy. Fortunately, this space is lush and plentiful, so there is a good chance for stable coexistence. They should have little problem with nationalism or fear of foreigners, because they're all foreigners living in a new land. The clan can move forward with development and prepare to answer some important questions along the way.